Architecture is not software. Architecture is the conditions and decisions that shape it. Every tool and workflow serves the project. In this course, we follow the development of the Danish Naval War Museum from start to finish, a concrete project in a real context where the architecture stays in focus and the tools simply follow. You will see how every project is born from its context, how to examine the site's physical anatomy, its story, its flows and qualities. You will see how ChatGPT helps frame a clear architectural assignment and how we as architects begin answering it. We explore how Midjourney supports the earliest steps most effectively, what prompts gives us the strongest foundation for our specific assignment, and how the right interactive workflow clarifies the architectural direction faster. You will see how to extract a 3D site model directly from Google Maps using RenderDoc and Blender. This foundation is essential in every real project development. You will see how functions, flows, and program are analyzed, merged in synergy and mapped to the context directly in 3D. This is one of the most important phases in architectural development. If this fails, the building fails. We analyze how those functional conclusions can be translated into form. This is where the building becomes architecture, where the project's form language is created and everything else is subordinated. If this phase fails, the architecture fails. We study what structures, constructions, openings, and materials best fit our design. You will learn the importance of studying the project from key perspectives in the context, and how those places influence the design of the architecture. We move the project into Unreal to experience and refine the architecture from the user's and public perspective. You learn the essentials needed to start working with Unreal in architecture. You see how interactive presentation strengthens both development and communication. You will get a downloadable walkthrough model you can explore yourself as part of the course material. In our conclusion, we discuss when interactivity is worth using and how to balance effort with gain. Everything in this training is shown through one concrete architectural project, the Danish Naval War Museum in the middle of Copenhagen, always through a clear, practical and professional architectural lens. The goal is clear: to give you inspiration from a coherent workflow that connects AI, 3D and real-time presentation without losing architectural intent. You can follow the course at your own pace, and if you need help with your own project, you can book consulting through cadman.dk. I have worked with architecture and visualization for more than 20 years, and I've already done the hard work of understanding how modern tools fit into real design workflows, so you can take from it what strengthens your own practice. All material is available at cadman.dk after purchase. If you want the full course overview, click the More Info button at the course page. You can also explore my other courses if you want to go deeper. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you inside the course.